So guys, yung part 2 ng paghahanap do sa dance dito. Ay, tsinelas ko. Suotin. Malit akong pato ba? At sabi ko, play na ba natin? Wala akong fingerprint eh. Yan, fingerprint. Pew, 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 pew. Boga, boogs, boog. Ay, lahat. Ay, pamilya nyo. Eh! Parang ka naman. Maingay, nag-video. Hanapin na natin, guys. Hindi natin hinahanap. Kaya huwag ka na mag-yosi. Inuubon na nga. Budong ka. Senya tayo, guys. Kasi alam na eh. Nakumul. Tinapin. Oh! Happy na ako. Wala mag-dash. Hindi lang kayo tayo mag-dano.
Sometimes the way it sounds might hurt, but it's all good, cause as long as we together and as long as it's clever, I don't care about the weather, let it rain. Me and my conscience had a talk today. Told me when I see the trouble, better walk away. Wait, sometimes you gotta space out. Sometimes you gotta change route. Sometimes.
Ang puso ko nagdid at parang sumisikip ang dibdib ko. Tayo pumunta. Anong gagawin? Pilay ko na pilay ako. Umi pa. Yang ganda yan. Try natin yung this. One. Oops. Emo, 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 emo. Emo, 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 you are saying you. Okay. Therapy. So guys, dito lang po ang vlog natin. Comment. Kasi part 3 hanapin talaga. Then dito lang muna ko house ko. Bye! See you next night.